Hello, good morning and Jai Hind children. Today we will be reading chapter number 7, Rabbit's Turnip, from your English textbook Gulmohar. I want you to keep a pencil with you while reading the chapter so that you can mark all the difficult and important words. So I will start now. It was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. He was looking for something to eat. It is going to snow soon, Rabbit said to himself. I have to find some food. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnips and hurried home. So here, can you see children? Some words are highlighted: hopping about, pawed, turnip, hurried. So given below are the words, new words and their meanings. So hopping about is moving around in short jumps with both feet. Pawed means to tug at something with his paws. Turnip here means a round white and purple vegetable that grows underground. So this vegetable is called shaljam in Hindi. The next word is hurried. Move quickly to go somewhere. So I'll again read it. It was winter. Rabbit was hopping about in a field. He was looking for something to eat. It is going to snow soon, Rabbit said to himself. I have to find some food. So he pawed through the field till he found a turnip. Then he found a second one. He took the turnip and hurried home. Soon Rabbit was warm, safe and happy. Then he thought about Donkey. Donkey lived alone on a hill. I wonder if Donkey has any food, said Rabbit. I have 2 turnips. I will give one to her. So he was worried about his friend Donkey, and he thought of giving another turnip to the donkey who lives on the hill. So Rabbit slowly rolled a turnip up the hill to Donkey's house. Donkey was not at home. It was snowing. So Rabbit left the turnip by the door and hopped back home. After some time, Donkey returned home. She had found a potato for herself. She saw the turnip by the door. What a lovely surprise, said Donkey. But my potato is enough for me. Goat's always hungry. I should take this to him. So when he found the turnip lying on the doorstep and realizing that he already has potatoes with him, he decided to give that turnip to whom? To her friend Goat. Donkey trotted to Goat's house, but he was not there. So Donkey left the turnip by the door and went back home. So similarly, when Donkey did not find Goat at house, he left the turnip at the doorstep and left. So trotted here means moved in a way that is faster than walking but slower than running. So now we'll move on to the next page. Soon Goat returned home with a cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. Dear me, said Goat. Someone has lost a turnip. It must be Deer. When she passed this way, I should return this to her. Goat then rolled the turnip to Deer's house, but Deer was not there. So Goat left the turnip by the door and went back home. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. "How kind! Someone's left me a gift," said Deer. "But there's no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. I wonder if Rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him." So, Deer, being a very good friend of the rabbit, thought about his friend and decided to leave this turnip for Rabbit. Deer walked carefully through the deep, deep snow. Rabbit was at home, but he was asleep. So, Deer left the turnip by the door and then trudged back home. The next morning, Rabbit woke up early. He opened the door, and what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. "Now has this come back to me?" exclaimed Rabbit. And here there are 1, 2, 3 new words: cabbage, pass this way, gift, trudged, and exclaimed. So cabbage here means a round vegetable with big green, purple or white leaves. Gobi, आपने देखा है gobi? Passed this way, walked by this place. Gift, a nice thing that we give to someone else to thank them. Trudged, moved slowly, heavily, and with difficulty here because of the deep snow. Exclaimed, said something loudly to show excitement or surprise. Alright, so we have read this chapter, and now I want you to read this chapter again, and wherever you find any difficulty, please reach out to your class teacher for further explanation. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.